We at Free Tours by Foot think Los Angeles sightseeing tours should be at the top of your must-do in LA list. But it probably won't be the only thing, so we're going to list out the top things to do in LA, in addition to sightseeing tours. Welcome to Free Tours by Foot! I'm Camden, and I'm here to take you around the world for the best travel tips, how-to guides, and tour highlights. To keep finding out more, subscribe to this channel, and if you want to join us on one of our walking tours, visit us at freetoursbyfoot.com. At the top of our list is Los Angeles Sightseeing Tours. We offer tours of downtown LA and Hollywood on our Name Your Own Price guided walking tours. These 2-hour tours take you to see the most popular sites, but also tell you the stories of old Hollywood and the history of Los Angeles. And at the end, you get to decide what the tour was worth. Make a reservation on our website. In addition to walking tours, other Los Angeles sightseeing tours include the popular hop-on, hop-off bus tours. We have a whole post comparing all the different bus options. You can ride a double-decker bus and hop off at the stops you want, or take a bus tour of the celebrity homes in Hollywood. In addition to bus tours that cover the homes of the rich and famous, we also have self-guided tour for those looking to save some money or avoid the crowds by sightseeing. We also have audio tours. If you sign up for our newsletter below, we'll send you a coupon code to download the audio tour of Hollywood for free. Another top thing to do in LA besides a sightseeing tour is to enjoy the Los Angeles music and movie scene. You can catch a concert or a play. Los Angeles is one of the biggest hubs of entertainment in the world, so it makes sense that a lot of notable musicians and bands perform in the city throughout the year. In addition to all the great venues that host concerts, there are several theaters where you can see either a musical or a play. Most of the best Broadway shows make their way to Los Angeles, so you'll never have to worry about the quality of these performances. Or go to a game. There are a lot of popular sports teams in LA, from baseball, basketball, football, hockey, and soccer. Go to Hollywood. You'll want to visit Hollywood while you're here. You can see the Walk of Fame, take photos of the famous Hollywood sign. Hollywood is home to many famous and historic movie studios, and most of them offer studio tours that you can take to get a look behind the scenes. Visit a museum. There are a lot of interesting museums to visit in Los Angeles. While some focus on various types of art, like the Broad Museum, or others talk about science or history, like the Chinese American Museum. Or head to the beach. If you're interested in seeing the Pacific Ocean, consider heading to either Venice Beach or Santa Monica Pier for a plethora of fun activities that the whole family can enjoy. See a television show. In LA, there are a lot of TV shows recorded daily, an abundance of show recordings that can be viewed for free. Check out our guide on how to secure a ticket to a recording for more information. Alex Trebek, Jimmy Kimmel, and Ellen are waiting for you. Visit a theme park. Los Angeles is home to a lot of great amusement parks, including some of the most popular in the country. Disneyland is probably the most notable, and any fan of Disney owes it to themselves to visit at least once. Universal Studios also has a nice park with plenty of great rides related to their films and properties. Look into a tourist discount pass. There are a lot of fun things to do and attractions to visit in Los Angeles, but ticket prices can really pile up fast if you intend to see them all. If you want to save money on multiple activities, one of the best options available is a LA Tourist Attraction Discount Pass. We have a post and video all about the different options to see if there's one that's right for you. As you can see, there are a lot of things to do in addition to Los Angeles sightseeing tours, and we have even more on our post on things to do in LA here and linked below. We have recommendations for the best things to do in cities all over, so subscribe here for more about Los Angeles, or New York, DC, London, and more. Don't forget to visit our website at freetoursbyfoot.com and check us out on social media at freetoursbyfoot.